In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use folders in Monday.com to keep your workspace organized and efficient. Using folders is a fantastic way to arrange your boards, dashboards, forms, and more, offering an easy way to keep everything neat and tidy in your workspace. It's important to remember, however, that placing items in a folder won't automatically connect them to each other. It's primarily for organizational purposes. Let's start by creating a folder. First, you'll want to navigate to the left panel in your current workspace. You'll see the Workspace title there, and right next to it, you'll find a plus icon. Click on that icon. Doing this will prompt you to add a new item to the workspace. From the options presented, select Folder. Give your new folder a name that makes sense for the items you plan to organize. This could be related to a specific project, team, or any categorization that works for you. Now that your folder is created, it's time to put it to use. You can easily drag and drop boards or dashboards from the left panel into the folder. Simply click on the item you want to move, drag it over to the folder, and drop it in. This action places it inside the folder. Folders are versatile and user-friendly, allowing you to minimize and expand them to manage your view. When minimized, the folder will neatly hide away the list of boards it contains. Expanding the folder will show you all the items within. This way, you can keep your workspace uncluttered while still having quick access to everything you need. Beyond arranging boards and dashboards, you can also organize items within the folder itself. By clicking and dragging, you can reorder the boards and dashboards in a way that suits your workflow. Additionally, you're not limited to a specific order for the folder itself. You can move it up or down your item list to align with your priority or preference. And there you have it. Using folders in Monday.com is a straightforward and effective way to manage your workspace, making it a breeze to locate your boards and dashboards when needed. Keep in mind the structure you've built when working collaboratively, so your entire team will benefit from the clarity and order this brings to your shared projects. Thank you for watching, and I hope this has given you a clear understanding of how to use folders on Monday.com to streamline your workspace.